Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a new note on Clickup account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Google Chrome and then we have to open our Clickup account website, and after that, as you can see here, you have to go to this menu bar, and here you will get the option here, as you can see, open the notepad. So if you want to open the notepad, you can also do that. So we have to click on the open notepad, and as you can see, if you want to create a new note, then we have to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the name here like the same, and then I'm going to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, as you can see, the new note is created. Now simply you just have to write that what you want to write. For example, simply I'm just gonna random typing, and now if you want to print out this, you have, as you can see, print description, you have to click on this, and the history, if you want to check out the history, you can also do that. If you want this on the full screen, you can also do that. I'm going to cut this one. As you can see, has another option if you want to convert to task. If you want to convert this note into a task, you can also do that. And as you can see, has the convert to doc. If you want to convert this note into a doc file, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create a note file, and you can convert them in any task of the note, and you can convert them in any task of the doc file. And these functionalities are also provided here if you want to rename this or delete this or the convert to task. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this, how you can create a note and how you can convert them. So see you guys in the next video.